Okay, guys. I'll start the YouTube also now. Okay, Ashutosh, I'm making you a host to just make people to join.
Yes, yes, yes.
Good morning, everybody. So, how was the expiry yesterday? Ashutosh, how was yours?
Mine was good,
Great.
2%. Yeah, that gamma explosion trade I took in, bro.
Okay, you tried gamma
Yeah,
exposure. Okay, super.
that worked well.
Yesterday, okay. The second half I was not there. I went out. This spike
Yesterday.
was, from 12:30. You are expecting, right, Ashutosh?
Yes, roughly from 12 o'clock, I was expecting an up move. First, it went to the VWAP levels. Again, it fell, but again, it went. But I was sure it was going to 3600 on futures.
Okay, great. So, what is the bias for the day?
It can be volatile to sideways to uptrend.
Okay,
Let's see, unless we are above yesterday's HVN, I'm expecting bullishness.
above yesterday's HPN, you are expecting a bullishness.
Yeah.
Okay. So, for the Bank Nifty, the setup for the day is yes, I'm also bullish. Once it is open, only we can confirm
Yeah.
things. So first we need to check for this 770 has to be taken. Once the 770 is taken, I will be expecting the price to test 30,975. Like we already got a VPOC over there, like another 10 to 15 points we got VPOC. So this could be pulled. This zone can pull the price towards the zone.
Yeah.
As per my setup, actually the thing is I should be biased for downside only, because the setup is in that way. I'm expecting a downwards from Wednesday.
Yeah.
So this could be the last breath. Wednesday, yeah, that's this thing has we have to discuss. Wednesday, I missed to notice something which Prathamesh is not there. Okay. So Wednesday we will be looking for. We used to look for an inventory adjustment, right?
Hmm.
Uh, the inventory adjustment, when we can look as if there is, yeah, HVN has been shifting, but HVN shifted to downside here in that particular day. The next day we can see this HVN has been tested.
Hmm.
For Wednesday we will be having a target of, this is what Wednesday is, right? We will be having a target. It has to open somewhere here. 1 and 2 has to be tested, right? In an inventory adjustment. 1 has been already tested on Tuesday itself.
Yeah.
Missed to notice this with The bias of bullishness, bias of bearishness, this has been missed out. Instead of entering here, we entered here only. I entered here only. Some of the YouTube, one guy from YouTube, Mr. Ravi, has already entered here only in the zone itself because he believes in open drive plus small IV. Mechanically, he went in. For Nifty, still I'm having this only 577 to this zone only, 577 to 80 only I have, nothing else. So once the market opens only we can find out is there any level is appearing above this zone for Nifty. As of now we don't have any levels in this zone. This is untested zone. It is very new to the market itself.
Yes. We are opening flat on spot.
Nifty or Bank Nifty?
Both. Nifty is 0.25% and Bank Nifty is 0.15%. 30-40 rupees each.
Okay. This HCM is awesome. This has been tested to this ID.
Good morning, bro.
Morning, bro. Usually on Fridays I don't take classes. Today people are not coming. Yeah, Prathamesh, before you come, we were talking about this inventory adjustment on Wednesdays, right?
Yes, yes.
One hint we can take it like on Tuesday. I'm just backtesting it. You also do this.
Yes,
We are expecting Wednesday an inventory test.
yes.
Only in the case of that Tuesday must not take the previous HVN.
Right. Okay.
The previous HVN itself, Tuesday's HVN itself going down means there is something happening from the at the bottom, right?
Okay. Yes.
So in I checked 3 to 4 months of data
Okay.
where we are failing an inventory adjustment on Wednesdays.
Yes, bro. Actually, the price is corrected something.
Okay. Got the point. I will also.
But this is not a big mess because that day till G period nothing happened in CE side also. CE has not been increased.
Actually, the beauty of that Wednesday thing is market won't remain in that phase.
Yeah.
If it is not testing on the inventory adjustment, then it will have a blast on the same direction.
Somehow we are getting some trendy day.
Yes, that day or Thursday.
And most of the days on Wednesday, if it is opened inside this value area, more chances of hitting our strategy. I observed that.
Okay. Opening outside. Opening with Nifty. Nifty seems open test drive. Let's give time. If you are getting the price above this open now, we can go for open test drive with the Bank Nifty at to the target of 3800. I mean 30,753 to 3800. For Nifty, now if we are entering now itself, the open will be the stop loss, and we have the target of 13,570, 70 to 79. Zone. Here to here. Why we are having a small target is, yes, we will be looking for a reversal also from there. So yes. Now for Bank Nifty, yes, day slow is the stop loss zone. $30,765 to 30,800 zone is the first target. Let's see how the strength is. for today. Bank Nifty is actually open drive is getting spoiled in Bank Nifty still because of this big Nifty's move. It can move. HN got shifted. It will show some little confusions here because of this previous day HVN. That's why the encounter of open has been more than what we expect. So zones for the day, target as number 1 is seven, 800 zone, right? Yeah. And the target 2 is 950 to 31,000. Target 2. Let's see if it is not getting reversal here. If the price sustaining here above, like a C and D period has been accepted. If the price sustaining above this zone, yes, the target will be that. For Nifty 570 is the zone we need to watch very carefully. 570, 560 to 570. This is the zone we need to watch carefully. If there is any reversal, price may go back towards this POC1 and H1. Can be a volatile day, whether it is going to be a trendy volatile or balancing volatile. That is what we need to check.
Good morning, Karthik.
Very good morning, Sanjay.
Yesterday after 3 o'clock, it was a good day, Ji.
Yeah, I was not there in the market then.
Okay.
If Nifty breaching the yesterday's high, again that thing has to be mentioned here. If Nifty breaching the yesterday's high, I mean sustaining above this HVN zone itself. Let's mark it here for Nifty. This is the target for open drive. If this is being taken and the price is sustaining above this zone, means high possibility of testing 650. Plan for the day is that one. So plan accordingly.
H1 is shifted, bro. Then Nifty.
In the A period itself, don't go very crucially about HVN. That is profit bookings. H1 can shift because people believe in open drive. They can enter fresh buy also happening here. Am I right?
Yes.
Ashutosh, morning.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
Guys, you are on YouTube.
How was your day yesterday, Ashutosh?
Sriniji, you are on YouTube. discussions between us can be done after the YouTube session has been over. Okay.
Okay, Karthik.
Anything related to open drive or anything related to days bias, you can discuss.
Yeah, Karthik. Just watching.
Rudresh, I'm not stopping them to give you any secrets. This is a group of uh, so much of fun will be happening inside. You will get bored. You don't know what is the context.
Karthik ji, I wish that today it will test the new highs.
Yeah, because here all the technical analysis will be getting failed if price being sustained above this. So there is no reversal. We have to look for 650 zone. So Nifty is going to make new high.
Yes.
I will be expecting a last breath now. So new high is possible.
Yeah, that's what even I was wishing.
Upthrust, you are saying, like.
Yeah, upthrust type of thing will be happening today.
She opened very close to yesterday's day high range. Came down, tested yesterday's close again, and going up. So now, can we buy keeping open as a SL?
Open SSL. Yes, you can buy. It's a risky
Yeah.
one because the marked zone is there, right? There
Yes.
is a
Yes.
chance of reversal. If price is sustaining above that zone, means you just
Yes.
go buy and look for a 900 as the 950 as the target.
Yeah. Correct.
So when we are reaching very close to the target, don't enter.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
918 itself, we got the entry.
Yes.
When it is testing the open itself, we got the entry. That is
Yes.
the right
Yes.
place. Last season open drive, there used to be like 23 to 30 guys will be there in YouTube live. From that 20 people have already joined in Tum program. You guys are inside the Zoom now. YouTube session used to have only 6 to 7 members live. If it is not useful on live, we can close that live at least from next week. Yeah. Nitesh, when you say I'm here, two guys went off. Yeah, after this has been done, 60 70 people are watching in YouTube. I understand that. Someone are living in different time zones. They just wanted to watch it. I think Nifty has to mark a new high. Nifty is struggling, Bank Nifty is doing well. So target 1 for Bank Nifty has been done. So move your stop loss with HVN, people who are in trade. Once we get the HVNs, both the HVNs, yesterday's HVN and this HVN is at the same spot, you can keep HVN as the stop loss and wait for the target 2 has to be done. Don't run behind the prices today.
I'm done, Karthik. I exited.
Why G? You can move G. Actually, it is
No, I had a target, so I exited.
okay.
My target was 3800. So when I sold it at 3810.
Oh, okay.
Enough decent 100 point. I said, got it. Open is always super G.
Yeah.
Open is always good.
Others move your stop losses to this zone. Yesterday's HVN zone, right? It's better because it's our target one. If price getting reversal here, it's better to take. Showing a very clear strength here. Very clear. Nifty is struggling. Okay, it's also coming. Good. For Bank Nifty, yes, keep your stop losses here. I'm again telling you because just now Nifty came to this spot. If Nifty is also breaching, we are very happy. If Nifty is getting reversal, you know Bank Nifty what it will do. So B period where it is going to open, below this zone or above this zone. If B opens below this zone, wait for again a long entry somewhere between the open and day slow. If you feel there is a sign of strength in this zone after C period, you can go ahead. If and only if B is opening below this zone, below our target. Okay. And again we have a rule of C period, that is also keep in mind. If B is opening above means you don't need to worry about that, just keep your stop loss stay tight. A period itself going to test the 900 it seems. Excellent, excellent, excellent.
You shorted puts, huh?
Bot calls also.
Why, bro? You're sideway biased today?
Not sideway biased.
Oh, sorry. You bought calls also, you said.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nowadays selling is difficult, right? Margin has been increased huge. I mean for naked. If you are getting a very clear open or open test drive, we can go for option buying. That too on Fridays, like because our trade will be like A B period only, right? Time decay will start on Friday after 11 o'clock. And only in balanced market. So we don't need to worry about this thing. Beautiful. Nifty is all set to show you the new high. Breaching 80. Yes, it is going to test 620 or something. Open drive, we can close and go for another entry if B is opening above. It doesn't mean it is going to fall. There is a chance of testing this open and going up again. If and only if price taking this zone again. Even if B is opening that spot, there is a chance. The known cluster zone for us in Nifty is this only. See in one more minute where Nifty is going to open its second period and where Bank Nifty is going to open its second period. Okay, it opened its account here and where Bank Nifty. Okay, Bank Nifty is opening above, so keep your stop losses tight. You don't need to rush in closing. Now we are already in profit. It's better to stay for a big profit. For Nifty, we don't have any other choice. Target 1 is done. If we are getting price above this zone, above your HVN zone, above the previous close, we can take this in this way. For non-market profile users, above previous close, if you are getting previous day's close, if you are getting before 10:15, you can enter. And keeping that, what is the zone? Yeah, 13,560 as your stop loss. I will not suggest you to go for short here to this open or something, because our bias is uptrend. We should not trade counter to our bias, against our bias. For simply we can say now Bank Nifty coming down is the start of reversal. So that is not, that doesn't mean we can enter right away. We have to enter only below this IB low, because as of now we can fix low for the day is this one. Number 2, for Nifty, where is it, cursor? Yeah, for Nifty, yes, if we are getting price at this zone again, yes, we are ready to move up to 650, minimum of 620. This is showing a reversal towards the open, so we have to check whether we are getting price sign of strength here for further move in the second half, right? So whoever is going in Nifty, your trade is done now. I think Bank Nifty also done. Let's see, I'll check mine. No, Bank Nifty is staying strong. The same way, if Bank Nifty is testing this zone again, means yes, it's going to fall. And the same way, if Bank Nifty is breaching, if someone is joining right now, if they have missed the open drive, they want to trade from after 11:15, breaching this IB zone may confirm us to test the 30,950. People who are in long can stay. Stay with me. Anand joined us today.
No, he's not there.
Okay. Just wanted to check how the derivatives are showing the strength or weakness.
Yes, it's positive.
Positive. Okay.
As of now.
No, it seems so positive, right?
Yeah, derivative data cannot predict reversal.
Okay. This HVN is
Because-
some little alert now, huh?
So any pullback, if we get and the data is still positive, then we can go for long.
Yeah.
That ways we can use derivatives.
In Nifty, they plan to kill people, I think. Think about people who gone short here yesterday. For this pullback, the K period has been pulling, right? Same, both the addresses, Nifty and Bank Nifty. What it is trying to do is doing this HVN test. Once it is today, what we got in Bank Nifty is we got breached this HVN. sustaining above this zone. Nifty is having trouble here. If it is successfully reaching the stop, yes, 620. Just one more time. Anamali is there. Okay.
Hello, brother. Morning.
No bias.
Bias வைக்கல ப்ரோ இன்னைக்கு வெள்ளிக்கிழமை லீவ். Are we in YouTube, bro?
Yes.
Super. I am looking for a balanced day, bro, today.
Balanced day.
Yeah, I am looking in this zone only. Some manipulation.
How long? First half, second half?
First half, till first half.
Second half?
Second half, if demand is coming in, right? So we will go to the next trading zone because we are not going to next trading zone for the last entire week. So we are again back to the 8th and 9th December, 8th, I think 9th December, yeah, 9th December range. So we need to break this out. Yeah. If we are breaking, then we can see, bro. I'm not expecting that to break in the first half.
You can see this on a Monday. Tadastu, what you expected?
Sorry, bro?
As you wish.
Oh, okay.
Tadastu.
Tadastu, okay, bro. Got it.
Okay, I think yes, for Open Drive and Bank Nifty also done. So for the further day, information has been given already in YouTube. I'll wind up the YouTube session now. We'll keep it in Zoom only. Okay, who are in YouTube? Any doubts? Anything you want to clarify? Okay. Okay, fine. We already spoke, plan for the day. So have a good day. Thank you so much. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ನನ್ರಿಗಲ್ ಪಲ ಶುಕ್ರಿಯಾ.